What is shoulder dystocia and why can it be dangerous to your baby? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, my name is Marcus Boston, and I am a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about this condition from a medical legal standpoint called shoulder dystocia and why it can be very dangerous for your child. Essentially, when we are talking about shoulder dystocia in this context, I want to use it as a condition in which the baby gets trapped behind the mother's pelvis during a vaginal delivery. And when the baby gets trapped, it creates an emergency in the delivery room. Now, there are different types of injuries that can occur when we are dealing with a shoulder dystocia condition. In some cases, you can have a injury to the child's shoulder, the brachial plexus area. You can have injuries here, and which can then lead to injuries to the baby's arm or to the baby's hand. These types of injuries can occur when we're dealing with shoulder dystocia, clavicle injuries. We can have all of these, but sometimes you can have injuries to the child's brain during a shoulder dystocia delivery. And I want to talk a little bit more about that and how that injury can occur. When shoulder dystocia is present, there is a risk for the baby's umbilical cord to become compressed during shoulder dystocia. And we're going to step back. I don't, step away from some of the big medical terminology, but the umbilical cord, when we break that down, it can be seen as the baby's lifeline. It's the connection from the mother to the baby. And that umbilical cord is giving the baby all types of nutrients, oxygen, blood, all of these things. And when shoulder dystocia is present, if that umbilical cord, as the baby is stuck, if that umbilical cord becomes compressed, then you can have a reduced level of blood and oxygen getting to the baby. Fetal hypoxia may be taking place. Hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy may be in play. So when you have a compressed umbilical cord, you can have perfusion issues, reductions of blood and oxygen getting to the baby, and that can then lead to an injury to the child's brain. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important concept? Because more than likely, if you're watching this video today, you have questions about your child's injury. Maybe during the delivery, your baby got stuck, and now the doctors are saying that your child subsequently has suffered a brain injury. Maybe in the medical records, you've seen this term fetal hypoxia, or the doctors have talked with you about that, or hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. Maybe their baby is now suffering seizures, and you have concerns about all of this. If this is what is going on with you right now, and you have further questions, and you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached toll-free at 1-833-4BABY-HELP, or you can reach me locally at 301-850-4832. If you prefer to send me an email, go ahead and drop me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. And finally, I would invite you, if you're just kind of doing your homework and trying to get some background information about these topics, you can visit my website at bostonlawllc.com, and we've got a whole host of information there. Once you're there, be sure to take a look at that free e-download that we have regarding birth injuries in the state of Maryland. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law in the state of Maryland. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.